We are watching fintech stocks sell off into the close on that headline we brought to you earlier in the hour. JPMorgan is planning to start charging fintech companies for access to customer bank account information. See PayPal down 6%, Block down 5%. Joining me now to discuss is Mizuho analyst Dan Dolev. Dan, give us your first impressions of what this might mean for these companies.
Hey, Mike, how are you? It seems like it's a very defensive move by JPMorgan. And I think it looks like, it's actually a testament to the fintechs doing really well. They're, stealing customers, SoFi stealing customers on the banking side. Affirm is taking business away from, credit on buy now, pay later. So to me, this seems more defensive than offensive.
It wouldn't be surprising if it were defensive, but would it be impactful for those companies? I'm just curious, what sorts of customer data do the fintech companies rely upon that a big bank such as JPMorgan can be a gatekeeper to?
Yeah, so that's actually a great question. When you open up an Affirm account or a Coinbase account, then your data through Plaid, a company called Plaid, which is private, they're able to get into your JPMorgan account or any bank account and get the data out of the account to make sure that you can, be underwritten properly. So they do have a lot of there's a lot of value in that data, but that's exactly the
I see.
And the fintechs.
Yeah, I mean, I guess the question is, could you approach the project of trying to price in what this might mean in terms of these business models at this point?
We don't know exactly how much they're paying. Remember, Visa tried to buy Plaid back in 2019. So there's definitely a lot of value in what Plaid offers. It could be an added cost to the fintechs if it actually were to happen. But I think what's going to happen is, the explosion in the account growth and buy now, pay later is going to more than offset any extra costs here. So I'm not particularly worried about this. And it feels to me, again, as a very defensive move and not an offensive one.
Right. So basically try to get paid something for the possibility that your customers are diversifying their business with other players. We'll see.
Exactly.
Dan, appreciate you jumping on and giving us some perspective on this.